Well, hello, it's us from Sunny Approach. Today we are going to tackle an issue that I've noticed on our Airstream motorhome. So this is the door where you fill up with diesel. And no matter how hard you try, you're always going to seem to have some little spilling of diesel fluid. And as you can see, it's made this area quite dirty. So I'm going to attempt to clean it. I know, obvious, right? And see if it will come off nice and easy with just regular RainX washing, or if I'm going to have to get something more rugged. Now we also get staining from the trim pieces, so we'll see if we can get rid of some of that as well. This is just the regular RainX foaming car wash, nothing fancy, nothing expensive. And let's give it a whirl. These staining parts. That Airstream logo too. I don't know what they use to adhere these, or if that staining is just coming from dirt that accumulates behind and comes out in one go, but it's pretty much uniform across the whole side of the coach. You can see a pretty big staining coming from the lock there too. Yeah, it is just a vehicle. But you want to have it looking as nice as you can when you have the opportunity. It's not a sunny day here. As you know, we like our sunny days. But it's a good day for trying to wash up part of a car. Well, it doesn't seem to have done much about that staining. But it has cleaned off very nicely where the diesel had run down, so that's pretty good. So I will have to look and see if I can find something better for removing the staining from the trim. If anybody's got any suggestions, certainly welcome them. If you enjoyed these videos from us as we travel and look after our Airstream and have other funny things to do to keep happy in the sunshine or cloudy days, please subscribe to our channel at Sunny Approach. Have a great day.